welcome to another Kids with a Kitchen video. We haven't posted in quite a bit. Yeah. Alright, so before we start, go check out EFM Bros. It's our new channel. Or it's another, or it's with our friend. So you guys will see us and our friend. Yes. You guys have to go watch the introduction video just to get used to us.
What are we making?
We're gonna make the best cookies in the Mississippi. Okay. We made it the other day. They were so good. Alright, before we started, we made the dry ingredients. We mixed them all together. That is 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
By the
That's
way,
our first part.
sorry if you can hear background noise.
Yeah. Alright, so our second thing we're gonna go on with. Let me get these. Alright, it is 3/4 cup of butter.
That is melted.
You want to melt that? You put that in. Alright, so we got the butter and we melted it a second ago, so we kind of have to mix it. Here's what it is. Guys, that's a lot of butter, but that's what makes it really good. Alright, so part that makes it really good. Put that in. Alright, guys, try to get all of it. You got it. And then the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is 1/3 cup. 1/4 cup of brown packed sugar. 1 second. We're gonna do 3 of these. It's as good as I could get it. My hands are buttery now. And guys, make sure to pack it because it's packed brown sugar. You wanna pack it before. And then for our last ingredient, we're gonna have 1/2 cup of sugar. I have this in a time lapse because it might take a little.
Don't put the.
Alright, made now like a lot of sugar, but that's how it's supposed to be. Trust me. That's what makes it good. Now you can start mixing. And guys, remember, always keep your workspace clean. Whisk. Time lapse. 3, 2, 1. Guys, just so you know, you should have it fully mixed, which means no lumps. And alright, so guys, we have it pretty nicely mixed, as you can see. Alright, the next step, guys, we're gonna separate. We already separated them. You're gonna just keep 1 large egg, just crack it normally, and then you're gonna separate the yolk. Only the yolk. Keep only the yolk in here, and then you're gonna slap that into your bowl. Put that into your bowl. Looks like poop. I did not say that. And then we put. And now we have. This is imitation vanilla, but you're supposed to use, bless you, vanilla extract, but it's the same thing. So you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of that. Don't go overboard this time. I poured it too fast. Bro spilled too much. Alright, so now we mix it and clean this up. Mix it up. Clean that up. Vanilla like one. Now
different. Now we put all of these dry ingredients that we did first. No, that won't fit. Okay. We're gonna put this in here. Think smarter, not harder. Oh, that looks so good right now.
It's like
make sure you
corn
get all of it. Hold on, let me go get a spatula. Don't know why I went in there. Look at this amazing consistency. Oh, plus flour. And now, just gotta, or
Be very
not
soft.
flour, sorry, dry ingredients. Yeah, you kind of want to mix pretty slow.
Evan, you should get the stuff out of the whisk, because that will start forming in the whisk.
So, basically, it's gonna become very soft dough.
Oh!
So, I'm back. Let's do a time lapse of us stirring this.
I'm back again. Guys, technical difficulties.
Maybe don't use the whisk to do that. Whisk it. We probably should have known that, but probably forgot. Should have gone better.
Oh, this is the most important part. You don't want a lot of cookies. Again, so since I'm using my fingers to get all of this off, it's because I'm doing this because I wash my hands. You guys always wash your hands before you cook. I mean, always. You always want to wash your hands. And then, guys, when you start stirring a lot, consistency starts turning
Just so you
rough.
guys know, there's usually going to be flour on the bottom, so make sure to mix that flour pretty good. Or, sorry, dry ingredients.
You should be able to pick it up without it sticking to your hand.
Here's what it looks like.
So he saved it.
It's still a tiny bit floury though. But if you just mix that, alright, it will be okay.
So basically, wash your hands before you do this. I already did.
He just did, I watched him.
You should be able to pick it up without it sticking to your hand. Like that. You kind of want to shape it into a ball.
And then what you want to do is you want to get some chocolate chips.
Like this, guys.
And you know it's ready if you press it a little bit. Wait, hold on. Let me get a second camera view. So there it is. See? It's pretty good. And then that's all the chocolate chips. You just want to put as much chocolate chips as you want, little or a lot.
We're gonna do half of a cup around.
Yeah. And then can't hold that for me. Alright, so then you wanna fold them. And if they don't stick in there, that is totally what it's actually supposed to do. Just try your best because of the butter
To fit them in there.
Yeah, to fold them in there.
See, he did a really good job, you know how? Because none of them are falling out when I'm picking this up. Why am I whispering?
Alright,
Shape that into a ball.
alright, switching back. And 3, 2, 1, boom.
Guys, this is it. Now,
Let's
You
fold it a little bit more.
no.
Just. Alright, so guys, this dough you can now cover tightly tightly. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours.
Or until 3 days.
No, the max you can refrigerate it is 3 days.
Yeah.
And it's recommended chilling it overnight, but I don't know.
We'll do
To prevent like the overspreading, you know what I mean? So yeah. So let's get this covered. All right, and then we want to get some plastic wrap and just cover that bowl. Looking pretty good. I just took it out. So I like to do this to get like the exact measurement. And then, yeah. Oh, this time I like cutting. Oh. Yeah, hold on. That's it. It should fit. All right. Hopefully that fits. Yeah. So, like I said, just put it overnight in that fridge. Overnight, 2 hours or to 3 days, however you want to do it. All right. So,
And guys, that you refrigerate it it becomes more soft and more like creamy and like I don't know how to say it.
Alright, you'll see how we did 3, 2, 1. Okay, there it is. As you can see, we got that nice, yummy looking chocolate chip cookie dough.
You will probably
Wait, real fast. Right, yeah. 3, 2, 1.
not the freezer.
Yeah, fridge, not freezer. So as you can see.
Oh, hi guys. Now we'll wait.
How long, Nico?
2 hours.
Yeah.
We already have.
All right. See you guys in 2 hours. All right. Sorry for the mix-up. We decided to do it overnight because it was late and we just didn't feel like doing it. But it's the morning. So a timer should go off any minute now. Did you cancel? No, it should go off any minute. What you want to do, set the dough out for 15 minutes.
After freezing for 2 hours or more.
We just did that. So, and as you can see, here's the dough. It's pretty hard, but that's okay. So we gotta set the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. So, let's wait for that. 10 minutes. All right, so dough, it's preheated, and here's an example of what it should look like. It should be, for the cook, you get a tablespoon skewer and extra large cookies, which are what we're making, is 2 heaping tablespoons. So, example. There they are. You guys, I'm not sure. They're nice.
We'll tell you how many we can make out of these.
Out of
Last time we made these, we got about 20 out of them. Alright, so I got my mitt. I'm gonna slap these boys in the oven.
one at a time, right?
Yeah, 1 tray at a time. And guys, since we've been using the oven for a while, always have adult supervision. We have our dads right there, so they can help us out every time.
Yeah. So bake the cookies cookies 13 to 14 minutes, or until the edges are very lightly browned. But yeah, see, got them in there. How long? 13 minutes. You always want to start at the earliest, which is 13 minutes, because, hey, you don't want to burn them, because you can add more, but you can't take away. True fact.
Exactly.
So, I mean,
See how much we have, and that's already 12 cookies. Probably can make around 20.
but yeah, we will see you guys
When the first batch is done.
when the batch is done. Yeah. All right. So now we have them for 15 minutes.
You have to cook a little. We gotta let them cool. That's why we have these. A cooling hour of doom.
They are, by the way,
Of sweet treats. Let's put them on here.
no.
This is.
Can they put them on the pan for 10 minutes? You have to put them on the pan for 10 minutes until they cool down.
So they can't cool on here?
So we'll see you when that happens.
But now we're gonna put these bad boys in. Okay, that didn't happen. Okay, well guys, we'll see you in 10 minutes. I mean, I need to, but I'm not taking them out.
No, I put
No, I hate taking them out. So.
You don't need to hot mix them in.
Alright guys, so we got the cookies. They've cooled. Now we're gonna take our spatula and slap these boys. Alright, so basically that's all you have to do. You just gotta repeat it. Evan's coming. Basically, we have another one. You just have to do this over and over again.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let us know what you want us to make next. Any last words?
They're delicious.
They're delicious. Bye.